Hey guys, today we're going to go over cab corner repair from Quick Covers. So there's a couple different options that you can get from Quick Covers. I opted to go with just the cab corners. These are the smooth, so they will need to be coated. We're going to start with the anti-static cleaner. We're just going to wipe these down. So now we're just going to spray the adhesion promoter. Alright, we're going to let that dry. We'll do the second coat and then we'll come back to you guys. Do our top coat. I'm going to use the Spray Max 1K Fill Clean. So now we're going to start coating this. I'm going to use the Like 90 wet black and put up in the cavity of the cab cards. Now we're going to get our chip brush. I'm going to put our grease on. Alright, so we got our body panel adhesive on. We're going to set this up in place and then we'll drill our holes for the rivets. There it is. It matches really well. Very pleased with it. It's the original Parents Manufacturers Quick Covers, and it doesn't get a whole lot easier than that.